Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a 2-bedroom home that is about 90% complete, and it is located in a gated community at Accra-Mensah, and it is about 30 minutes drive from the Kotoka International Airport and 10 minutes drive from the Accra-Mensah toll booth in Accra. The house is priced at $50,000. It has some features that will be included. Like I said, it is about 90% done, and there are some few touches that need to be done, and it will be done very soon. There will be air conditions in the rooms. There will be a poly tank and water pump. There will be a dedicated electricity meter, fully fitted high quality kitchen with inbuilt electric cooktop, oven and microwave, and premium bathroom fittings. It is going to have elegant glass shower with wooden flooring. It could be ideal for Airbnb. It could be ideal for personal residence. It could be ideal for rental investment as well. If you are interested, or you know somebody who is interested, please WhatsApp this number or call +1 250 463 3598, and then we will have a conversation. It is a nice place. It is a nice building, and anybody that is interested, you can contact us and we can have a conversation after that. Thank you very much.
Any to me, and can your Tiaguan swore any Okamano, Resantin, Shirani any day, any any to me, and can your Tiaguan swore any Okamano, Resantin, Okama wokumno, wo fatase, wochi to me, awunya ni nyansa, enya wote, eni dienye nyonya nishira. Epuye, atoye, etifini anafua, Yesu yati. Epuye, atoye, etifi ni anafuo, Yesu yati. Shirani eniti, shirani eniti, eni enyonyam, eni to me, enkan yo tiegwane swo, eni okwamano. Resantin yina Shirani any day any enyonyam any to me and can your tear one is war any okamano Resantin yina Okama wokumno wo fatase wochi